Welcome.
Episode 23.
Episode 23.
Urch Weekly.
Oh.
Urch Weekly.
No, it's the Ultra RC Hobbies show. Everyone knows that by now. You're just going to change it up mid like episode 22. We've done 22 episodes already. And now you want to change the name.
Yeah, 23 was that pivotal point where I want to change the name.
No, we're still Ultra RC Hobbies show.
Okay, fine.
Episode 23. Welcome. So today, we're not going to talk about being Urch. We're going to talk about things that happen on the Ultra RC Hobby Show. So we got the new Proline Monster Fusion body. We get a couple questions like, hey, how does this look with Stampede tires on it? Yeah, that's right. You heard me. Stampede tires.
With Stampede tires.
Yeah, 2.8.
And a body that fits?
Correct. So we're going to talk about this. We'll just roll that right up. And then we're going to talk about an unboxing. So Billy and I, or Chad, nobody calls him Chad though, we're going to talk about the Losi 3XLE LST. So we got some of that. We're probably going to have some running videos too. So thank you to Jeremy again for letting us take his brand new truck out of the box and unbox it just for you guys on Facebook and YouTube. So thank you. What else do you want to talk about, Chris?
We have got the X coming up. We're going to be at the X.
I was testing you because you didn't talk about it.
I was like, oh, what do I say?
What do I do? What do I do with my hands? I don't even know what to do with my hands. No, so yeah, we're going to be at the X. I know we've kind of talked about it a little bit, but haven't really disclosed too much information on it yet. But we'll be at the X in Hall A. We're going to bring carpet. We're going to bring TVs. We're going to bring a whole bordered track. We're going to bring jumps. We're going to have cars. And we're just going to have a grand old time at the Saskatoon exhibition.
Yes. And we have a drag race timing system.
Oh, yeah, we do.
That.
Yeah, the Traxxas DTS1 timing system. We're going to be doing some racing and some other things. So you should probably follow Snapchat because we'll have maybe some drag race bracket racing on Snapchat, which might not make it to the show. So if you don't want to miss out at all, check out the Ultra RC Hobbies Snapchat. But I guess we should probably get right into episode 23. So, this is the new
Monster Fusion.
Monster Fusion, yeah. This body comes pre-cut. So, all these louvered sections come pre-cut. The body comes pre-cut on the bumper as well as the fenders. The only thing you have to do is drill your body posts. So, that's pretty nice. But looking at it, something just doesn't look right.
Yeah.
And you know,
The Slash has big tires.
Yeah, you can put 2.8 Stampede tires with the Stampede 4x4 wide offset without having to cut bigger fenders because they're already cut for you.
So now you can do backflips and front flips with your Slash?
Correct. You have a longer, wider,
bigger tired
Slash.
Beast.
So the nice thing is you get more stability than a Stampede 4x4 because it's longer, and it's now wider with the wider offset wheels. So the inset of the wheel hex is farther back. So it pushes the outer edge of the tire farther out. So yeah, let's open up the body and take a look. So this one, he's just using the standard body post with the long post. Proline does recommend, however, to use their extended body post, but that is not really necessary. As you can see, we did it without. So really all you need to do to make this work is obviously buy the Proline Monster Fusion body and have Stampede 4x4 wheels and tires.
Yeah.
And that's it. You keep your stock factory Slash bumpers. You can do everything else stock factory Slash, but not have to cut out the standard body. Because how many times have you were like, I want to run Stampede tires on my Slash, but I don't want to wreck my nice freshly painted body. Yeah, there we go.
Now you can have the look of a Slash with the aggressiveness and off-road capabilities of Stampede.
Yeah, more ground clearance, which is nice. Like this is still an LCG, so low center of gravity chassis, and you have way more ground clearance.
Lots of ground clearance.
Yeah. So yeah, this is the brand new Proline Monster Fusion body. So that's cool. So yeah, what's next? Should we just go right into the unboxing?
Yeah, you guys unboxed the truck.
Yeah, Billy and I did. So
let's take a look at it.
Yeah, let's look. So we're going to do an unboxing video on the new Losi LST XXXE 8-scale electric monster truck from Losi Racing. So this is the brand new electric truck they have of the LST. You've probably seen a lot of LSTs in your day, eh?
A few, yeah.
Yeah, mostly nitro. The old LST2 was a pretty good truck, actually. Kind of neat 2-speed, way different 2-speed.
And Corey's were pretty cool.
Yeah. So let's see what's all involved with this brand new truck. So you get the cool Spectrum dashboard compatible DX2 radio with it. It's got the AVC, so the active vehicle control. It's capable of speeds over 50 miles an hour, obviously with 6-cell batteries. So what else do you get here? Ready to run. So what's included? So you will need 2 batteries, so 2 2-cells or 2 3-cells, and a charger. So pretty standard right now in the industry. So Billy, you wanna take over the camera, or do you wanna unbox it?
I can unbox it.
Okay,
you're
Billy.
Pretty good. You're pretty good on that camera.
Okay, well you unbox it, Billy. So we got Billy here. Everyone probably knows Chad or Billy. I opened that side. Yeah, that one.
That's how you do it. Okay.
Yeah, I opened that side. It's already cut, Billy. Just gotta pull her open.
Okay.
I cheated a little bit.
Okay. Cool.
Don't mind me, I cheated. The truck is honestly a little bit too big.
Not used to this unboxing stuff.
You're gonna be famous. You're gonna be YouTube famous, Billy.
Yeah.
So what are we pulling out first here?
So
You want some help?
yeah.
Here, I got this part. Okay. I don't think there's anything else in the box. So really, once you pull this main slide out, everything else is just gone. So let's see what we got. So pretty cool wrap and paint scheme on here. Yeah, it's actually inlaid on the inside, so that's pretty neat.
Just the angles on the body are pretty cool.
That is a very neat looking body. Okay, so let's see what we can find in here under all this cardboard. Is there anything on the side? Yes, there's a radio. So this has got to open somehow. Probably like something. Oh, these just pull off, Billy. Oh, Billy. This is why.
Because the radio's in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
OPKB. They're just gonna struggle with this a little bit. I gotta pull the tires off. Let's not throw it on the ground. There we go. There we go.
Perhaps
Woo!
the funniest unboxing video ever.
Got some nice blue wheels. 17 millimeter out of the box, it looks like. So no more goofy 23 millimeter. So that's nice. Let's see here. So in this box, what do we got? I think we just got a radio. Bum-ba-da-bum. Yeah, just a, like I said, Spectrum DX2E radio. Yeah, just your basic DX2E. I like that turnbuckle wheelie bar. That's pretty neat. Okay, we're gonna struggle on this side. I think we got the case now. There we go. Is there anything in this one? This one, no.
She's clean.
Empty. Okay, so
One zip tie to cut.
I'm gonna open up the bottom side here because I'm pretty sure there is going to be some manuals probably in here somewhere. All the way at the back. Let's see what we got here. So get your basic tool kit. Looks like a shock tool. Your 17 millimeter wrench, as well as it's gonna have an 8 millimeter on it for doing glow plugs if you have a nitro, and some other sizes. You get 4 AA batteries and some Allen keys in here as well. A bind plug. You also get some extra bullets as well. Regular old Losi manual, nothing too crazy. But oh, Billy! Ta-da! There's the new Losi. So let's pull some clips off here and see what we got. Oh, yeah, I'll pull the front clips off. Pivots, Billy.
Oh, it pivots.
Yeah,
There
so
you
that's
go.
a super cool feature. The
Under
body
here.
actually pivots on this mount in the back, so that's pretty neat. So it's pretty basic. You get an upper deck in the front here, then you get a deck for your ESC to sit on, full metal drivetrain. It's quite nice. And then you get your EC5 connectors that are actually molded right into the chassis, so that's pretty sweet. You get the Fuse 3 to 6 cell, see that there? 150 amp brushless ESC with a 5 amp back. So that should be able to power really any sort of big servo. And it looks like they do got a big monster in there for a servo out of the box. So these are your battery trays here, one on either side, and an open center section probably to cut weight a little bit. Inside we get some steel turnbuckles, plastic upper arms, but the pinnacle of shocks right here. So those are big LST shocks. So those things are ginormous. This video probably doesn't do it justice, but that's my thumb, and it's way bigger than my thumb. So they're pretty big. You get a 2200 kV 4-pole motor in here as well. So it's quite a nice looking truck, actually. This thing should hold a mail. What do you think? What are your first impressions?
It's got ripped up terrain written all over it.
Oh yeah, so this thing rips. So thank you, Jeremy, for letting me unbox your brand new truck. It is going to be a very fun truck, and it's a beauty. So there you have it. There's our first unboxing of the Losi LST Triple X. No, what is it? Yeah, LST 3XLE. There we go.
That was a really cool truck. I really liked seeing it.
Yeah, it was. It looks like a cool truck. I think it's gonna have a lot of durability with the metal drivetrain.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna have. You're just.
I haven't seen it.
He's just going along with it because he actually didn't end up getting to see the truck. So he's just nodding his head and smiling, really.
I like the metal parts.
Honestly, the body was super cool.
Yeah.
Metal drivetrain would have been really nice.
It's electric?
It is electric.
Yeah.
2100
yeah.
kV, 8-scale brushless system, 6-cell capable. Yeah.
Nice.
As well as it had some extra metal parts that we didn't really talk about. So the actual bulkhead were plastic, but the carrier for the bearings and the diff was actually all metal. So that's something Losi's done for a while. It's not blue anymore though; it's black, but it looks pretty sweet.
Exciting to see.
Yeah, it's all metal frame. It's a really nice truck. So we got some running video for that truck as well. So here it is.
are not going to be liked here.
Do some drifting.
Yeah, let's go do some drifting. So let's close this out. So that was
episode 23.
Episode 23. So don't forget to visit us at the X. You're just
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
But you have to visit us at the X.
And visit us at the X.
So the exhibition is August 7th till August 12th. Chris is going to be there on the 12th, so this is Sunday. And they're going to be having drifting live at the exhibition. We're going to be doing stuff on Snapchat with that too. So I don't want to give too many things away with what we're doing, but you heard about drifting and you heard about
drag racing.
So follow us
and
on Snapchat,
jumps.
or you could just come down to the X and say hi. Maybe there's going to be some sort of a giveaway and prize that you have to go to the X and fill out. Maybe that's going to be a thing. But you won't know until you go down to Hall A at the exhibition, August 7th to 12th. And that's going to run from 12 o'clock noon to 11 o'clock at night. So we'll be there the whole time. Well, one of us will be here.
Oh, 10:30 is my bedtime.
Well, you can go before your bedtime. So yeah, that was episode 23 of the Ultra RC Hobby Show. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with all your friends so they don't miss out on this awesomeness. But yeah, we'll see you next time.